Haven't you noticed how quickly your mind decides someone matters to you? You give them your time, you notice their moods, you make space for them, and then quietly expect them to make the same space for you. But pause and watch that expectation. Did they promise you the same place in their life? Or did you assume that equal effort was the only natural return for your efforts? Maybe they don't value you less. Maybe they simply prioritize differently. Maybe your mind is protecting the relationship by explaining away a pattern that you don't want to accept. So the question shouldn't only be, why don't they choose me? But am I responding to what they are actually showing me? Or to the version of the relationship I keep hoping will exist?